Hey everyone! Today I want to share my honest experience with something a lot of people with sore feet have been talking about lately: JayShoes Barefoot Shoes. So I tried JayShoes because my feet and lower back would feel tired and achy after a full day of walking or standing. Traditional shoes with narrow toe boxes and big heels just weren't helping anymore. When I first opened the box, the shoes looked lighter and more flexible than my usual sneakers. The wide toe box really stood out. My toes actually had room to spread out instead of being squeezed together. Putting them on, they felt a bit different at first because of the zero-drop sole. Your heel and forefoot are at the same level, but in a good way. After a day or two, it started to feel more natural, almost like walking barefoot, but with protection. A few standout things for me. The cushioning is soft without feeling squishy, so my feet feel supported but not trapped. The anti-slip rubber sole gave me good grip on tiles and sidewalks, which I really appreciated, especially when it rained. The upper is a breathable mesh, so my feet didn't get overly sweaty, even on longer walks. Now, to keep this real, JayShoes are not some magic cure-all. If you have serious medical issues with your feet, knees, or back, definitely talk to your doctor or a podiatrist first. And because they're more barefoot style, there is a short adjustment period. The first couple of days, my calves felt a bit more worked, just because my feet were moving more naturally. But after about a week of wearing them for errands and daily walks, I noticed less overall foot fatigue at the end of the day. My toes didn't feel cramped, and I felt a bit more stable when standing for longer periods. Are they perfect? Not for everyone. If you're used to super thick, heavily padded shoes, these will feel very different at first. But if you're looking for something lightweight, flexible, with a wide toe box and better ground feel, they're definitely worth buying. Click the link in the description below to get one for yourself. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another honest product review. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.